I never force people to choose me. If you want to stay, then stay. Otherwise, get lost. Everyone says be happy, but no one says I will make you happy. Never cry for the person who hurts you. Just smile and say thank you for giving a chance to find someone better than you. Enjoy every moment you have. Never blame anyone in your life. Good people give you happiness. Bad people give you experience. Worst people give you a lesson. Best people give you a memories. Sacrifice. If you want to achieve something greater or noble in life, be ready to make a sacrifice. You cannot you cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. Smiling is the best way to face every problem, to crush every fear, to hide every pain. Sometimes you don't get what you want because you deserve better. Time is slow when you wait. Time is fast when you are late. Time is short when you are happy. Time is endless when you are in pain. Time is a currency. Be careful how you spend it. I know I'm not smart. I know I'm not attractive. But I have something which is unique in me. Be silent in these three situations. Number one, be silent when you are angry. Number two, be silent when people don't value your words. And number three, be silent when you want to listen to people. Respect is like a mirror. The more you show it to the other people, the more they will reflect it back. When time turns, it's turn. Everything, so don't be proud in good times and don't stop being a patient in a bad times. I can delete your photo, tags, and number, but how do I delete your face, voice, and our memories? Choose a partner who is good for you, not good for your parents, not good for your image, not good for your bank account. Choose someone who's going to make your life emotionally fulfilling. Love is not about feeding the perfect person. It's about seeing an imperfect person perfectly. Don't raise your voice. Improve your argument. When there is no pain in life, so what's fun to life? Kill the tension before it kills you. Reach your goals before goals kick you. And finally, live your lives before life leaves you.